Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngethemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke ubona-ke lapho ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase but subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje zizobe ngifakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethe lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana ngithi-ke M_K-ke idliwe-ke laphana-ke ecaleni-ke laphana-ke sekuvela-ke okunye-ke okusha-ke laphana-ke ngako ukudliwa kwe-M_K-ke laphana-ke njengoba-ke sazi khona-ke usisi-ke waxoshwa-ke kwi-M_K-ke wakholelwa ukuthi-ke uxoshwe ngokungemthetho bese wayithatha-ke i-M_K-ke wayisa-ke enkantolo-ke laphana-ke kube sekuphuma imiphumela-ke izolo enkantolo kwatholakala-ke ngathi-ke icala-ke line-M_K-ke laphana-ke waliwina-ke kanjalo-ke usisi-ke icala-ke laphana. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi nginingizwe ngaphinde nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo yakhe izwele wena ukuthi-ke kuthiwa noma ngicela lapha mesizwile-ke le video noma comment section for usho lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalokho udaba-ke lolu-ke usebenza okulungile-ke ungixhase ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli khona uzokwazi-ke uqhube uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, I have noticed ukuthi there are concerns about i-case le winwe namhlanje umama uMary Party. I don't know much about the case. I don't know the merits of the case. I don't even wanna delve into it in actual fact because I don't know anything about it. The only thing that I want to clarify is that people need not to be worried. Now there are cases that are being won against us by abantu mhlambe bebemisiwe emsebenzini or whatever the case may be. So it means that sesizoba nenkinga. No, we won't have a problem. Emkhontweni umthetho nje umile ukuthi akekho umuntu opermanent. Uma udeployela khona you are not permanent. So if it happens ukuthi bathi hayi mfethu ake ubuye lapho uyabuyiswa nje. Akukho ukuthi kumele kuze kiwe emakhothi uma ubuyisiwe kuthiwa hayi mfethu sicela ubuye lapho bekade sikuqhashe ngakhona sicela ukuthi ukuhlala phansi. Cha, akekho nje umuntu opermanent in anything. So kumele nje abantu bakunderstand lokho bengabi worried. Uyabo, I'm not talking specifically about this case. Ningizwe kahle. Ngikhuluma nga any case in general that may come maybe in the future ukuthi ayikho i-permanent position emkhontweni. So umuntu mangabe ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uphelile. Uma ngabe ukuthi mhlambe umsebenzi wakho awuwenze kahle uyakhishwa. Uma ukuthi mhlambe kukhona abangekho happy ngakho ngawe uyakhishwa. So there is nothing that must worry us in anything about cases being won ukuthi kusho ukuthi umuntu usezophoqa uma kukhona abantu